Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove authorized user from your credit reports, right? And the steps which I have listed below here, these are the right ways. So the very first thing which you have to do, contact the credit card issuer, right? So you have to call the customer service number on the back of your credit card or on the report, inform them that you want to remove an authorized user from your account and they will help you to remove it, right? Basically they have some access of your account and they can do it. Now the second thing is that after the credit card issuer, once you ask the credit card issuer for confirmation of the removal, note the date and time of the call and the name of representative. Wait about 30 to 60 days. Generally it's happen under 1 month, but sometimes it's take a longer business days, right? For the change to reflect on your credit report, obtain copies of your credit report from the three major credit bureaus: Experian, TransUnion, and QCFAX, right? Now, once you have checked each report to ensure the authorized user has been removed, look for an account that still lists the authorized user. If the authorized user is still listed, file a dispute with the credit bureau. You can do this online, by mail, or by the phone number. Provide evidence that the user should have been removed. Now, after that, you have to follow the steps. So monitor your credit report regularly to ensure the authorized user stay removed. Contact the credit bureau if the issue persists, right? So these are some of the steps which I've told you and listed here. You can go through it and it will really help you. I hope you found this video useful.